If your IT job vanished tomorrow, would you be ready? Harsh truth. Many roles are disappearing. And no recruiter is coming to save you. But I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to snap you awake and help you move. Right now, companies are cutting nice to have. They're hiring for impact, revenue, risk, reliability. So I asked myself, how do I become unignorable? Step 1. Skill shift, not skill stack. Translate what you already know into what pays today. QA to security testing, front end to conversion optimization, support to customer success, data to decision science. Pick one high-demand problem, go deep for 30 days, and publish proof weekly. Step 2. Ship visible work. Clean LinkedIn banner, one-liner headline. Pin a 60-second case study, GitHub or Notion portfolio. I cut page load by 40%. I automated a weekly report. I found a 200K risk. Show the before and the after. Keep it simple. Step 3. Proximity beats perfection. Message 5. Hiring managers daily. Saw your post. 2-slide teardown. 1 fix equals plus 3% conversions. Want it? No begging. Led with value. Step 4. Cash flow bridge. 2-week sprint offers. Resume revamp for engineers. Data cleanup for local clinics. CRM setup for small exporters. WhatsApp automation for shops. Collect testimonials. Pay rent while you aim higher. Step 5. AI as power tools, not replacements. Use it to draft. Use it to audit. Use it to speed up.